For those people who are currently using HighLevel and you get clients every day and you struggle with potentially onboarding those new customers, HighLevel has developed a new Launchpad inside of the platform that's going to make things a lot easier for your onboarding team and potentially even your clients if you let your clients onboard themselves. So right now, let's hop in and take a look at how HighLevel has developed the new Launchpad platform to make it much easier for you to build your own onboarding team, as well as be able to have your clients possibly even onboard themselves. Let's have a look. Okay, so inside the HighLevel platform, I've got two tabs here set up. Now, the new Launchpad is something that's new inside of Labs. So if you want to turn that on, you're going to have to go inside of your settings, your Labs, and then turn that feature on. But right now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you the original Launchpad first. Now, this was good, but right now the issue is that this could be a problem if you didn't know how to do some of these things. So right now, if you take a look, notice it says, do you have a mobile app installed? You get a check mark. It goes through and says things like, okay, let me see if I can blow this up a little bit. There we go. So that HighLevel can really do the cool things that it's meant to do with these platforms, because you have to log in, put your own credentials in and stuff like that. But right now, getting your Google Business Profile set up, connecting your Facebook, generating leads from your website with the website chat widget. If you want to integrate WhatsApp, getting your Stripe account connected, or if you don't use Stripe at the sub-account level, you can use another payment provider. But again, it's just a way to sit back and say, okay, have you done all of these basic things in your accounts to get things set up? Now, it was good because it was a reminder, like just a step-by-step, click on this button and it takes you to the correct location to get these things done. But the problem is that if you're not technical or you're just getting started with HighLevel, or even if you're using and you're starting to build a new team to do the onboarding, sometimes the onboarding teams might not have all the skills necessary to do all of this stuff. Yeah. The new Launchpad, sorry, I was going to say dashboard, new Launchpad now includes a breakdown of multiple different areas as well as video training that this one didn't have. Keep in mind, you had to go through, oh, I don't know how to connect this. And it's going to sit back and ask you to click on connect. It's going to take you out and ask you all these questions to get logged in and things like that. You might not know how to do all that, or you might get confused. It would be easier to sit back and watch a video first of how you do this, and then you could simply feel more comfortable walking through the process. So let me introduce you to the new Launchpad. So here we are. This is another account that I've got, another sub account that has this feature turned on. So right now, let's just take a quick look at how these are different. Notice over here, foundational setup, marketing and lead generation, sales and conversion, website monetization, and e-commerce. So this is where HighLevel is now trying to take that very basic, 6, 7 steps of getting the very basics connected to. Not only can you get the foundation set up, let's go ahead and deal with your marketing, your leads, build a funnel that, whether it be do AI or whatever, let's get a funnel built. Let's show you how to do that. Sales and conversion, let's go through that particular process. So here's some of the things that are pretty relevant to getting a client onboarding. So let me blow this up here and get centered. So first one, creating a new contact. So how do you start adding contacts in? How do you import all the contacts instantly? How do you do that? How do you import contacts? I have a video that was a very, very well watched video I had on my channel, by the way, using the CRM import feature, because it was a 2 or 3 step process and required you to do several things, but you needed to understand how it happened before you walked through the wizard. Otherwise you'd be lost generating a new funnel. But here's the cool thing. If you come over here and extend this, now you have a video training. So the training is actually inside of the Launchpad itself. So now you have your own video. I wouldn't say whiteboarding or white labeled onboarding, but you could. So your onboarding team could literally watch these training videos and then know how to do all of these tasks. How cool is that? Now you don't even have to sit back. If you do use an onboarding or you want to bring somebody on to do onboarding, you don't have to sit back and create training for them. HighLevel has done it already with here. So let's just take a look. Pops up.
In this video, I'll show you how to add your first contact effortlessly and begin building meaningful engagement.
Perfect. How to add the new one. Okay, let's just say we want to do the import.
In this video, I'll show you how you can import and engage with all of your contacts instantly within the system.
Do you see? Cool. And it's right here. It doesn't take you off the screen. It doesn't move forward with you, but I just thought this is pretty cool when I started taking a look at this and wanted to show you what some of these were, generating new leads with your funnels. And again, you don't necessarily have to do all of these. It depends upon the type of clients that you have, and more specifically, the types of services that you are charging them for or servicing them for. So if you don't deal with lead generation, at least not with building a custom funnel or website, then you don't need to do anything with create new leads with a converting funnel, because this is going to walk you through how to build a funnel, how to set up a high converting funnel. And if that's not something that you do, if they already have a website and their website is getting leads, then you can just simply use the website, put forms, chat widget, things like that on there. But I thought this is pretty cool that not only it has the videos for you, but now it breaks them into multiple different categories and gives you a lot more ways of how to onboard somebody and not necessarily get somebody set up for the basics. But right now, my affiliates really have a lot of problems when it comes to onboarding, because they're like, what do I onboard? And we have calls and we go over it. Like, it really depends upon your business. What services are you offering? Now with my affiliates, I push AI services and I push reputation management. Why? Because I think those are the two easiest things to get set up in HighLevel that have the highest monthly revenue on it to get set up in an hour. And then you just start making money every month. Once you set it up, you don't go back and touch it again. You set this client up and for an hour, maybe 2 at the most, you get them set up. And then once they're set up, they work next month. They work the month after that. And they just keep paying you every single month for these services. And AI and reputation management are about the only 2 services here that really are niche independent. Every business needs these. Every business needs these. So that's why I always push it on my affiliates. If you are looking to get signed up for HighLevel, there is a free 30-day trial in the video description. Feel free to check that out. If you're interested in building an AI agency, I also have a free course on there as well. No selling, just a free course. If you're interested, I have a ton of other bonuses that will help you get your business set up at 24 hours and ready to go, starting to sell AI services. But it's pretty cool that you have this onboarding here, because again, my affiliates are like, well, how do I onboard? Do you have a video for that, Ray? I don't really know how to do that. So I end up having to send them a lot of my videos on my YouTube channel saying, here's how you do the video, the content import. Here's how you build a high converting funnel. Here's how you do all these other things. I have to send them individual videos or just simply say, go to my YouTube channel and search for that topic. So when I saw this dashboard, I saw the Launchpad, I keep wanting to say dashboard. I am very impressed with the fact that they built this out and they have the videos right here built in it, which is pretty cool. So again, lead nurture. If you come here for your marketing, managing all your social media posts, if you want to get that set up, boom, this will take you and get you set up with a social planner, capturing new leads with Facebook or Instagram leads. If you don't know how to do that, it'll simply show you how to integrate Facebook leads or Instagram like leads, specifically like the forms. How do you integrate those platforms into HighLevel? That right there, if you've never done it before, could be daunting. It's actually not that hard at all to do, but it's a great little video if you want to sit back and just simply watch it about how to bring in Facebook leads. So
in this video, I'll guide you through capturing new leads with Facebook and Instagram lead ads.
Boom. So there you go. So even if you don't know how to do this, if you're already in business and you want to extend your services beyond, where this is a great training, this right here can actually sit back and say, okay, now that I know how to do this, integrate Facebook leads ad, let's try it. Let me contact some customers and see if they're interested in doing some Facebook advertising, even if it's at a very basic, like $100 a month, something like that. It doesn't have to be a whole lot. Just do the ads work? Can you integrate them with HighLevel? How many ads do you get? What's the cost of a new customer from a Facebook ad? All of these things are great things to try. And you can even do the setup and everything else for free for the first couple of clients to learn how to do this. But this right here is cool because they show you how to do all this stuff right inside of the Launchpad. Now, again, if you don't do the onboarding and you want your customers to do it, again, they would have to be somewhat technical, but at least there's a video that will walk them through how to do it and how to support them. So again, sales conversion, pretty cool. Websites. So if you want to launch your own website or you want to do a WordPress website, shows you how to do that as well. And then how to sit back and launch your own e-commerce store, selling online course to start earning. All of that stuff is here with the onboarding and the training. So I just want to show you what it was. And again, to turn this on for right now, it's not live yet. I'm sure it will be live. Typically they go live within 30 or 60 days because they're just testing out the bugs, things like that. But go to your settings, come into your labs down here at the bottom. And then it's one of these right here. I turn all of them on, but there'll be one in here for the new Launchpad that you can just simply come over here and toggle this on. Once you toggle it on, then you will be able to see the new Launchpad here underneath the Launchpad feature. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, leave me a comment if you have any questions. And just, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. You will get so much value from this. I come out with multiple videos a week regarding new features, AI tools, things that you can help out with your business, things that you can help grow your business. There is nothing that I don't cover on my YouTube channel, and I just would hate to have you miss the training that I put out there. Have a great day, and thanks so much for hanging with me.